In this presentation, I will give you the secret to loving and enjoying who you are. In a society where perfection is portrayed all over social media, it is often tough for one not to focus on its imperfection. Some people will easily get lost in a world of fakeness where Instagram outfits and perfect looks is the first thing on their mind as they wake up. That type of thinking can be detrimental to how you perceive yourself. If you are tired of all that work at being someone else and finally want to start enjoying and loving who you are, we got the secret for you. The secret of loving and enjoying your true self is to change your mindset. Changing your mindset can do wonders, and the best part is that it is the one thing within your control. You don't need anyone to make it happen, and you can do it now. First, you have to identify the limiting beliefs about yourself. What are the thoughts in your mind that limit you from loving yourself? Are you focused on your gaps or flaws? Changing your mindset starts with awareness. You have to learn to observe yourself and identify the beliefs you have that stops you from expressing love toward yourself. Once you've determined a few assumptions that limit you and want to part from, write them down and transform these beliefs into something more empowering. Here are a few examples. Limiting belief. I will never be as fill in the blank with a positive quality, as fill in the blank with a person's name. Empowering belief. I love and approve of myself. I am unique and beautiful inside and out. Limiting belief. I don't get much attention on social media. Therefore, I must be fill in the blank with a negative quality. Empowering belief. I can care for myself and listen to my body, mind, and soul. I know what is right for me. Limiting belief. I don't seem to get the love I want from my partner. I'm probably not what my partner wants since I am unable to please him or her. Empowering belief. I am enough, and when I express love toward myself, I attract love. Now that you are aware that your belief system might be defaulting, you should also pay attention to your self-talk and the vocabulary you use daily. For example, are the words I can't or I wish I could part of your daily vocabulary? These types of words are a clear indication that you are in a limiting belief mindset. The key is awareness, and once you catch yourself using those words, it will be easier to retrain your brain to believe something else. Here are a few examples. Limiting words. I can't find love. I can't get the job I want. I wish I could do what you do. I've never been able to get what I want. Empowering words. I can learn to love myself. I can find ways to work toward my goal and eventually I will get the job I want. I can ask myself, is that really what I want to do? If so, I can make it a goal and ask for help to reach it. I can reach my goals. I just need to get to work now and have a focus. The last piece required to change your mindset is your behavior. Is your behavior limiting or empowering? How do you act when you face a challenge? How do you hold yourself in front of adversity? Here are a few limiting behaviors and how you can transform them to be more aligned with a mindset that will attract self-love. Limiting behavior. Self-pity. Jealousy or envy. Gossip. Judging others or yourself. Giving up as soon as you face an obstacle. Empowering behavior. Self-empowerment. Gratitude, recognition. Compassion, love. Determined and motivated toward a goal. Changing your mindset requires you to look at your beliefs, your vocabulary, and your behavior. These three aspects of you need to align with what you want and not what you don't want. Once you can make that alignment, you will see your life change for the best and love and enjoy who you are.